Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. Let's learn how to recover photos after factory reset Android without backup. First of all, go to the Google Photos and there at the bottom tap on the libraries. After that, tap on the bin. So here you'll find the photos that you can recover. So select all the photos that you want to recover and at the bottom of your screen tap on restore. Again tap on restore and this will restore your photos back to the album. And now the second step what you can do is you can use Droid Kit on your Windows or MacBook by connecting it with a cable and simply restore your photos to Android. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.